Bitcoin price has gotten a very large move to the upside over the past 2 days, right from the long setup that was given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And we're currently finding some local resistance, once again, right from the short setup that we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord and the exact level trading idea that I gave in yesterday's video. And as we take a look at our indicator market Cipher B, it appears as the price is getting higher, we are printing the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man breast pattern. Whereas Sam Bankman-Fried is hanging upside down, for some reason the man breasts get lower as the price gets higher. This is also known as a bearish divergence. So the question everyone's wondering right now, are we going to get a major retracement? And if so, how low can we plan to go? Today I'm going to be talking about exactly how I'm planning to trade this price action, as well as my exact targets and trade setup. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the most timely and the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on the YouTube. So after bottoming out at the key level that was given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, Bitcoin has been pumping, moving very fast at the speed of eugenics. Science. What I mean to say is we've had a healthy move to the upside. So why is this move looking so healthy? Well, it's because of the market structure. Ever since making this very nice looking bottom right here, we have actually now come up and made a high that is higher than the previous lower high in the downtrend. So there's a real potential here that we're switching market structure from bearish to bullish. This actually becomes even more clear when we go to a higher time frame like the 4-day and realize that the Bitcoin price is coming down to retest a very, very key support resistance flip that's literally been a level since May 2022. So for over a year, this has been a major level, and we could even look at this as a potential major breakout and now retest. In addition, we are seeing a hidden regular confirmation on the higher term timeframes. This is a hidden bullish divergence here on the higher term time frame. Right here on the 2-day, we can see that as the momentum waves are getting lower, the price is getting higher, trading along this trend line. This is a continuation pattern, and it becomes very, very powerful when we actually see the hidden bullish divergence in confluence with a regular bullish divergence on lower time frames such as the 4-hour. And if we take a look at our 4-hour time frame right here, we can in fact see that as the price is getting lower to this very, very key support resistance flip, market Cipher B, my favorite indicator, the momentum waves are getting higher. And when we take a look also at the money flow, this is very key. We're seeing the money coming back into the asset as the price is getting lower, giving us the coveted Sam Bankman-Fried regular bullish man boob pattern. Before he became an acrobat, before he started hanging upside down from tight ropes, this guy would just stand there with this look on his face, looking super innocent. Who would ever think he was a scammer? Look at that beautiful fro, but look at the breasts getting higher as the price is getting lower. And so this is actually a very bullish signal. This is something that is very, very rare. And the last time we saw something like this was at a major bottom with the Bitcoin price. Now, in my opinion, this does not mean that the bottom is 100% in, but it does mean the bottom is very, very close. Now, here's what we need to see in order for me to say this is the bottom. In order for me to add to these swing trades, I'm potentially looking at these longs that I'm in right now on Bitcoin as swing trades. I will need to see the following. And by the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give these juicy trade setups in advance, like this one we gave from the exact bottom and the short trade that we gave yesterday, go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Go ahead and click the link to join the VIP Discord, not a signals group, but an educational group where we give our levels, our trade setups. We do multiple live streams every single day going over the live price action. If you want to learn how to trade this way, check out the 25% discount on both of these trading courses. In addition, guys, if you want to take advantage of the great fees on MEXC and trade along with me, taking advantage of the volatility of these markets, check out my favorite exchange, MEXC. 0% limit order fees, 33% off market order fees. Literally the best deal out there, plus sign-up bonuses, including a $9,000 deposit bonus. I'm currently right now trading on MEXC and Bitget, my two go-to exchanges. Links in the pinned comment and description. Also, guys, I have a whole bunch of cool stuff in the pinned comments, a whole bunch of goodies, a whole bunch of discounts, including the 9s indicator, which is a great indicator that somebody developed in the Casper Crew. Make sure to check it out if interested.
Shut up, you stupid YouTube shell!
Okay, my bad. Back to the analysis. If the bottom is in, this is what we want to see. After forming a very nice bottom where we made a low, a lower high, a lower low, and now a higher high, we cannot lose the area between the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786. This is coming in between $25,300 and about $25,700. So we have a $200 range right here that needs to hold in order for me to say the bottom is likely in. And here's what I want to see as we come down to that area. On the 4-hour time frame, I want to see trigger waves on market Cipher B. That means I want to see the momentum waves printing a wave that is higher than the previous waves. Right, we have 3 I would consider trigger waves right here, these big BitBoy Ben Armstrong green dots down here. As the momentum waves are getting higher, the money flow is getting higher. We still see that money flow getting higher. We want to see another wave confirmed down here, showing the continued direction to the upside. And on the lower time frames, we actually do want to see bullish divergences. What that means is we want to see continuation on the 4-hour time frame. And when we come down to time frames such as the 12-minute time frame, what we want to see as we come down for a potential retest is we want to see the momentum waves getting higher as the price is getting lower into that key area of what is now support. Now, we may not come all the way down here. There's a lot of different levels we could actually find support along the way down here, and all those ideas and setups are given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. But the main point here is as long as we don't lose this level, I do believe the bottom is likely in. Now, I do want to give a word of caution because the last time we actually saw the hidden bullish divergence with the regular bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, it happened right here, which, yes, it led to a move to the upside, but then we got a massive fake out before the real pump continued. And I'm actually starting to see a similar pattern form here, where we had somewhat of a range that broke to the downside, then we got a bounce, and then boom, we gave it all back before the real move. So we have a range, moves to the downside. We could get actually a very significant bounce from here, but then we could get a fake out. Now, what we need to also understand is when we take a look at all the volume that has traded in this previous range down here, we actually have not come back to test the previous value area high, right? We're only testing the actual breakout, right? We're not testing the volume area of what used to be resistance as support. And when we take a look at this move to the upside, every single major bottom has come in at the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement. We saw this back in December at $16,300. We saw this back in the month of March where we came down, Silicon Valley Bank went under, boom, we bounced right from the golden pocket. And you can see right now we're actually front running the Fibonacci golden pocket. We're coming close to it, but not quite yet. And so I'm personally being a little cautious here, saying it's actually more probable than not, based on this current uptrend, that even if we do get a move to the upside, even if we put in a higher high, it's actually pretty likely that we do come down to test that Fibonacci golden pocket. So these are the areas where people really get shaken out of the market. We form these ranges. The market loves to stop hunt. The market loves to grab liquidity. We make a high and then we make a low. Okay, we stop out everybody who shorted, we stop out everybody who longed, and then the real move happened. Bitcoin loves to do that. So please be aware, guys, that even if we start to pump here, we may not be out of the woods. And also be aware that if we get another move to the downside, in my opinion, we are still seeing bullish signs. And so if we do come back down lower, I absolutely will be looking for a bounce from around that $23.5 thousand area. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, friend me on MySpace. I'll put you in the top 8. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. May you have a great week of trading, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!